Hi, my name is Dolly Dunstan, and this is about me. I'm a public health major, but my end goal is to be a doctor. This is my family. I'm BRCA positive. I'm actually BRCA1 positive, which is a gene mutation, and it just basically means that I have a predisposition for developing breast cancer and ovarian cancer. If you'd like to learn more about this, please reach out to me. I got it from my dad's side, so it can come from either side of the family. We are a family of redheads. Only less than 1% of the world has red hair and blue eyes, and we have a whole family of them. I love, love, love to feed people. I love to make them fat and happy. It's like my favorite thing in life to make. I love to eat and make people fat and happy. I also make costumes for my daughter when she is in musicals. My marriage, I've been married for 18 years. I currently reside in Yakima, Washington. I lived here for about 16 years, other than a little bit of an 18-month stint in Downingtown, Pennsylvania, near Philadelphia. I'm originally actually from Washington, D.C. I've been a stay-at-home mom or full-time student. Well, I've been a stay-at-home mom for, how old is he? He's 17, so 17 years. But I have recently become a full-time student because I took the time to pray and really decide what Heavenly Father wanted for me, and it is to become a teacher. Or to become a doctor. I am currently a seminary teacher. I teach early morning. This is my third year, and I love it. Youth are amazing, amazing people. They're just amazing. I love them. This is my first year teaching early morning, though I've taught online the last 2 years. So for me, I'm currently working on my bachelor's in public health through BYUI. I should graduate in the fall of 2022 with that. And then I'm going to go to a state university to get my sciences because they have to be in person and to study and take the MCAT. Then I'm going to be in medical school, and the end goal is to become a doctor. So that is everything you need to know about me.